Hello guys, welcome back with the third regular puzzle. The third regular puzzle is a jigsaw Sudoku, aka tectonic. In Dutch they call it Cyberblock, in Japanese Suguru. In today's newspaper on Tuesday, yes, it's Tuesday 23rd, January the 23rd, 2024. And I've already solved two regular puzzles, the 3-star Sudoku and the 4-star Sudoku. We have one puzzle left, the Jigsaw Sudoku. By the way, in this newspaper we have also an additional with extra puzzles. 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all, only 4 of them I will do in the evening. But first, this Jigsaw Sudoku this afternoon. And what's the news of today? Well, I've told you that there are a lot of war news. There are 21 Israeli soldiers killed, but there are also 200 death Palestinians civilians killed by the soldiers. So that's the war in Israel. The other war in Ukraine, well, Ukraine army has took a airplane down with the Russians told that there are in the airplane 65 prisoners for exchange. Well, the Ukraine's army told that there are no prisoners in the airplane. No, there are rockets and missiles. So it took down the airplane. So yeah, that's the war news. Almost every day we have war news. So it gives me a lot of stress because there's no peaceful day in the world. Anyway, let me continue with the puzzles. Tectonic number 7855. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 16 printed digits. Should be an easy one because the hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one has 16. So I think it's a 1 or 2 stars puzzle. For 1-star puzzle, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. For a 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes. 15 to 20 minutes. I think should be at a 1-star or 2 stars puzzle. We will see if this is a 1-star or 2 stars puzzle. Alright, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. Always a 1. Here a single box, there a single box, and here a single box. Always a 1. Next question, do we have here dual boxes in this puzzle? Contains the 1 and the 2. No dual boxes here. How about the triple boxes? Well, I can't see any triple boxes here. I see here a quadra box. Contains the 1, the 2, 3, and the 4. Well, here I cannot fill the numbers. And here we have also a quadra box. Well, these 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1, and this quadra box should be there. And the other numbers could be everywhere. Next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, this shape. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 3 here. Oh, wait. Here, another one, but upside down. This box has the same number as that box. Then the following shape. How about the T shape? Let me draw the T shape here. When you see this T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. Only one T shape. Then the following shape, how about this shape? I think the last shape in this puzzle. Let me draw this. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same name as that box. So this box has the same name as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3. 3 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 3 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. These 3 boxes surround a 4 can be a 4. These 2 boxes can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 4. These 2 boxes can be 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 1. That box can be 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Alright. Then, let me see. Well. This box can be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. That means we have a double 5 there. That means that this box cannot be a 5 anymore. If I place a 5 here, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those 2 boxes. So not the solution. Place the 5 there. The only place left for the 5 should be here then. And I've eliminated here the 1. So the 1 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this area from us. 2 and a 3. 2 and a 3. Alright. Then these 2 boxes surround the 4 can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area from us. 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2. Okay. These 3 boxes surround the 4 can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this quadrat box should be there. This box can be 1. That box can be 3. So the 1 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this quadrat box for number 2. Alright. I think this box should be 2 because it can be 1. We have a double 1 there. Can be it should be a 2. Can be 3. We have a double 3 there. Can be 4. Can be 5. Yes, definitely 2 is connected with that box. Should be also a 2. This box can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. This box, oh wait. No. This box can be a 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. Alright. This box can be a 4. We have a double 4 there. Can be a 1. We have a 1 there. So the 1 and 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area for number 5. Alright. Okay, and now, these 2 boxes surround the 4 can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 3. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be in the 3 goes there. These 2 boxes surround the 3 can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 2. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be in the 2 goes there. Then let me see. This box can be a 3. These 2 boxes surround the 3 can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. 1 and 3. We have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 1 goes there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 3. We have a 3 now, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be 3. And I've eliminated here the 4. So the 4 goes there. 2 and the 3. We have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 2 goes and there. 1 box left in this area for number 1. 1 and a 2. We have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes and there. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1. Should be a 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and a 5. We have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 5 goes there. Alright. This box can be 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. Well. This box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Well. Come on. This box can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. Need a 5 here also. This box can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. These 2 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be there. This box can be a 4. We have a double 4 there. But also that box can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Then I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. Okay. This box can be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Need a 5 here in this area. Well, those 2 boxes can be a 5. We have a double 5 there. So the only place left for the 5 should be here. And I've eliminated here the 4, so the 4 goes there. And I've eliminated here the 1, so the 1 goes here. These 2 boxes surround the 4 can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Should be there. And I've eliminated here the 2, so the 2 goes there. And I've eliminated here the 5, so the 5 goes here. 1 and a 4, we have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with the 4, we have a 4 now, so this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. 2 numbers left in this area, we have almost 2 and a 3. Let me mark those, 2 and a 3, 2 and a 3. These 3 boxes around the 4 can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this W area shape. Should be here. This box can be 2. This box can be 3. So the 2 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this W area shape for number 5. Then, let me think. Well. I need to think. 3. Yeah. 2 and a 3, 2 and a 3. Need 2 and a 3 and a 4. Well. Need a 4 here. And so the 2 and a 5, this could be a 2 or a 5. 1, 4, 3, 2 and a 5. Yeah, 2 and a 5. This box can be 4, so the 4 should be in one of these 3 boxes. So this box can be 1, could be a 2, can be a 3, can be a 4, so could be a 5. 2 and a 5 is connected with that box, should be also 2 or a 5. So we need a 1 here. This box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Well, I don't think this box should be a 1. If I place a 1 here, then this box is also connected with that box. Should be a 1, but we already have a 1 here in the same area. Not a solution to place the 1 there. The only place left for the 1 should be here. Okay, this box... wait. This box can be a 5. So the 5 goes together with the 3 as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area for number 2 is connected with that box. Should be so 2. 2 or a 5. We have a 2 now. So this box should be a 5. Is connected with that box. Should be so 5. 3 and a 5. We have a 5 now. So no 5 there. 5 should be here. 3 goes there. And 1 box left in this T-shaped area for number 3. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, correct. Okay, these 2 boxes surround the 2 can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this W area shape should be here. And I've eliminated here the 3. So the 3 goes there. So 1 box left in this W area shape for number 4. Okay, these 2 boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this quadra box should be here. 2 numbers left in this quadra box for numbers 3 and the 4. 3 and 4. 3 and 4. We have a 2 now. We have, again, 2 and a 3. We have a 2 now. So this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be 2. And this box should be 3. 2 and a 3, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there, 2 should be here, and a 3 goes there. And the final numbers 3 and a 4, we have a 3 now, so no 3 there, 3 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. Wow, told you, need to be faster than 50 minutes. Definitely a 1-star puzzle. And we solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so I can make it or solve it myself. Thank you again for watching. See you in the evening with other puzzles in additional. Until then, bye bye for now.